Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will do the revision of chapter 1. We have taken some questions and we will discuss. Hopefully you have got your revision syllabus for the first term examination, that is chapter 1 and 2. I repeat it. The syllabus for your term 1 exam is chapter 1 and 2. Here today we'll discuss few objective questions. We will focus on objective questions only, and then similar questions will also come in your exams. So let us start. So the first question is, Dash is known as the father of computers. The options are Lady Ada, Bill Gates, Charles Babbage and Blaise Pascal. So just tell me who is also known as the father of computers? Yes, it is Charles Babbage. It will be Charles Babbage. Children, I request you to write these questions in your copy also. Please write these questions in your computer copy. Nicely in fair work. I will send these questions in your WhatsApp group also, so that it will be easy for you to copy it down from there. Now the second question is, speed of computer is measured in million instructions per second, billion instructions per second or trillion instructions per second. Yes, so the answer is very easy. It is million instructions per second. You also have studied in your books now, the speed of the computer is measured in million instructions per second. Now the third question is, which of the following is the characteristics of the computer? You know that computers have various characteristics because of which it is useful. Na? So speed, diligence, versatility and or all of the above. So you know that speed is also a characteristics of computer. Diligence is also a characteristics of computer, and versatility is also the characteristics of a computer. So what should be your answer? The answer should be all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Now the fourth question. Come to fourth question. Which of the following is not a limitation of computer? Now, what do you mean by limitation of computer? By limitation of computer, we mean that which is a drawback. You can call it as a drawback. Okay. And your question says, which of the following is not a limitation. So pay attention here. It's not a limitation of computer. So it says it has no sentiments. So having no sentiments is a good point or a bad point? For human beings, sentiments, it is a good point. Okay. It has no learning power. So computer, you know, it cannot learn by itself. It cannot observe its environment and learn. We as humans, we can watch our environment and we learn from it. Yes or no? Yes. We learn language, we learn dressing sense, we learn eating habits, everything we learn. We see and we learn. But computer cannot learn anything by itself. Whatever information we give to it, it can work on that process only. Okay. It cannot think on its own. So the computer cannot think on its own. It cannot take decisions on its own. It will do only what we have instructed it to do or according to its programming. Now the fourth option is high storage capacity. So it is a good point. Yes, computer has a high storage capacity. So it will be a good point, and so it is not a limitation. So it will not be a limitation of computers. High storage capacity is not a limitation of computers. All the other three options are the limitation of computer. Okay. Now the next one is, the next question is, computer can be defined as dash device. So is it an electrical device, it is a mechanical device, electronic device, or all of the above? So you know very well that it is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. So we'll tick on electronic. Computer is an electronic device. Now the next question, please come to the next question. Next question is, computer is used in which of the places? So nowadays you see that computer almost in every place we see. So here you have to choose the option that, do you see computer in school? Yes. Hospitals? Yes. For communication, do we use computers? Yes. And then last, what is there? All the above. So the best answer will be all the above, because we see computer everywhere. So the best answer will be all of the above. Now the next question is, Napier bone was invented by dash. So who invented Napier bone? So Napier bone was invented by, you have options, Blaise Pascal, by Chinese people, by John Napier, or all of the above. So your answer is, yes, it is John Napier. So your answer will be John Napier. So Napier's bone was invented by John Napier. Analytic engine was designed by. So who designed the analytic engine? Charles Babbage, Lady Ada, Blaise Pascal, or none of the above? Okay. So as you have studied very well, you know that analytical engine was designed by Charles Babbage. By whom? By Charles Babbage. So analytic engine was designed by Charles Babbage. So now onwards, children, we will discuss similar objective type questions, as the revision of the chapter also is over, and many things you have learnt. Now in this now till the exam, we will discuss the question answers in this manner only, and I will give you this questions in your WhatsApp group also. Please write it down in your computer copy. I repeat that please you write down these questions in your computer copy and learn it by heart. Okay, learn them by heart, everything. Okay children, so here I end my video. If you have any type of query, you can ask it in the dashboard also, or you can just post it in your WhatsApp group also, so that it may be cleared. Okay, so thank you children, have a nice day.